healing and wholeness to the hurting and heartbroken through the love of Christ. Divine Television Network USA, a place of hope.
What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins, all our cares, we take to him. This morning is a blessed morning. We are so much happy and so much encouraged by our God. He has brought us back once again to speak his word and to speak what he wants us to speak. I am so much humbled. I am Lucy Miru. This is Devotional Hour, Evangelist Sarah Mbogo Ministry. On YouTube, we are still Evangelist Sarah Ministry. Kindly, you can check us on our YouTube, subscribe, also like, comment, and share in this broadcast. And we believe God is going to bless you. Like I always say, we enter his house, his courts with thanksgiving. And today we are thankful, even as we come to this special hour that God has granted to us. It is not in vain. We are trusting God that God hears and he answers our prayers. We don't only